Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's December 12th, coming at you with another video here. Today, we're going to be doing our Profit Engine weekly update, week 24, and we have another positive week of gains, 0.5%. Not huge gains, but week over week, this is the 24th straight week of positive returns. So if you want to get into that, you can get into their Telegram and check it out. Here's the list. They have a list of all 24 weeks straight through. You have here the week USD. It's now USDT that we get weekly. This is the per million reward. So if you have hold a million for the 250,000 NFTs, you get 1560. This is the week. So this is the dollar value of the return, and that's a percentage. They were a little bit higher at the beginning. We've seen a few. Now it's kind of been averaging in the 1%. So we do have this week, it was if you had a million uh, NFT holdings, you would get $5.56. They distributed $3,000 from the pool, which is 120,000 total over the 24 weeks, and the trading pool is now up to $589,000. So part of the sales from the NFTs go, or all the sales from the NFTs go into there, and there's also part of the staking, which I've mentioned previously, and we're going to get back into that and look at that as well. So if you go to the dashboard here. Um, you get into Profit Engine. Here's the main info page. You can get to the USDT staking, or they have it in the Telegram as well. So if you get into Telegram, those links will be here as well. If you get into them, they'll be there as well. Sorry, I'm just trying to find it here for you quickly. So if you get in here, they have the information. This is the wallet previously that you had to send it to. And there's now a link on the dashboard which you can get into staking as well. And staking the first month produced 20%. They did have a little drawdown this month. They're back in the green, so I don't expect it to be as high as 20%. And I think here the second month is coming up in another week or so. So you can get into that if you want to for a little bit higher returns. There's also a little bit more risk there as well. Your funds are locked in for 6 months on that one. But if you do click on, if you get into the app, the dashboard where you can see your NFTs, you can mint new ones. Again, as I've covered before, you have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, titanium, and diamond. They range from 2K all the way up to 250,000. So you need four of the diamond ones in order to get a million. And yeah, it's a little bit more costly right now, but this is a long-term project. So if you go into the staking, you can now add it here, so you don't have to actually send it directly to the contract anymore. You just put in your 100 USD um, USDT they have here, but it's USDT to staking. So USDT to stake, sorry, they just have some writing mix up here. But yeah, so if you get it in your USDT here, send it to the staking wallet. You can use previously there was ETH or on the Binance Smart Chain, so this is BEP20. You need to confirm that. I believe they still accept both of them, but do your due diligence on that one before. Because currently I'm not in the staking; I'm more on the NFT side. Even though the staking does produce a little bit more, and I'm interested there, but I didn't want to lock my funds in right at this time. So this is the update for this week for Profit Engine. Hopefully you're liking my videos. Please like and subscribe. And looking forward to bringing you more. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.